Good evening from the top of the world. I hope you all are doing absolutely well, and if you're thinking about me, I'm doing good as well. In this video, I'll teach you guys how to use free hit on your fantasy Premier League. If you guys don't know what free hit is, if you use a free hit, you can transfer a player for free with no point deduction for one time only. So to use that, you must go into transfer first and choose the player that you want to transfer. So you click on this one, you click on replace and you replace the player with the budget you got. So after you have chosen the one, you click on next and you can see here the option of free hit available. So my free transfer is being used one, and if I click on that, my transfer will be for free and no points will be deducted. So after you click on that, you click on confirm and your free hit will be activated and you will pay no charge for the player that you just transferred. So this is how you use free hit on your fantasy Premier League. And if you guys learned something today or found this video helpful, please do leave a thumbs up below and comment down what you'd like to see next. Until then, have a good time.